Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale a digital marketing strategy with Ahrefs easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your digital marketing strategy with Ahrefs, start by creating an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools. Begin by using the Site Explorer feature to analyze your website. Enter your website URL in the search bar and click on the search button. Review key metrics such as domain rating, backlinks, and organic traffic. Identify the top performing content on your site under the Organic Keywords tab. Take note of which keywords are driving the most traffic. Next, explore the Content Explorer tool to discover content ideas. Input keywords related to your niche and set filters for content performance. Analyze the content that ranks well and determine what makes it successful. Now, shift your focus to the Keywords Explorer tool. Enter relevant keywords to find search volume, keyword difficulty, and trends. Look for long-tail keywords with lower competition that you can target. After identifying keywords, plan your content strategy around them. Utilize the Rank Tracker feature to monitor your keyword rankings over time. Add your target keywords and schedule regular updates to track progress. Next, leverage the Site Audit tool to identify technical SEO issues on your website. Run an audit to uncover areas for improvement, such as broken links or slow loading times. Make necessary adjustments to enhance your site's performance. Additionally, use the Backlink Checker feature to analyze your link profile. Take note of high-authority sites linking to you and consider outreach for additional backlinks. Create a strategy for building new backlinks by reaching out to relevant websites and offering guest posts. Regularly check your competitors' backlinks through Ahrefs to identify new opportunities. Incorporate social media insights by connecting your social profiles within Ahrefs. Analyze how your content is performing across different platforms. Finally, continuously refine and adapt your strategy based on the data you gather. Use Ahrefs to track your performance and adjust your tactics as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your digital marketing strategy with. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.